Hello, what's up, traders? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video lesson, we are looking at weekly forex forecast. In weekly forex forecast, what we normally do here is to analyze three pairs that we normally look into for our trading week. Okay, so these three pairs are what we focus major on for the new week we are about to enter. Okay, so we analyze it together and then share the knowledge and then look at what the result will be like. For example, this is a GDP card. This is what we analyzed last week, that the market will come and work this high and then drop. So we are still waiting to see if the market will going to retest and then drop down, or from here is going to reject based on the long week here. But that notwithstanding, we are still looking at what will be the outcome for maybe by next week. This is for last week we did, but this week we have three pairs that we've added to our watch list. We have USD, GDP USD, we have a Euro JPY, and the Australia card. Okay, so we are coming back to this. So before we jump right into it, here is a little thing about myself and my thumbnail. My name is Mr. Emmanuel and I'm from Nigeria. I've been trading Forex for the past 6 years now. So I want to use this medium to let you know that this is my thumbnail here. And what my thumbnail represents is that having gathered all the knowledge from a professional traders in the markets, okay, through their books, their maybe channel, podcast, and the rest, then I use all the knowledge that I gather to form my own strategy. So whatever you are going to learn within this weekly forex forecast, then this is to tell you that this is my own strategies that I have formed. Okay, so I'm only showing you this because this profile picture here is my own picture, and sometimes in my video or some of my recent videos you may likely to see this type of a picture from another professional traders. This is to let you know that these are the professional traders that I personally have been following and have gathered all the knowledge from. For example, this is Adaise Duncan. You can go out and check on her on the internet to know more about her, and she is the one that have learned understanding how to calculate pips. Okay, so I have learned how to calculate pips from her, not just only her, but at least the measure has come from her. So there are other professional traders you may likely to be seen in most of my upcoming videos and the past videos. Okay, so this is to entail that they are the major ones that I have gathered the knowledge from. Okay, from that particular topic I'm treating. So go out and check on them. You can follow them as well, just for you to hear their own side of the story, how they managed to grow to where they are. That is the essence of using their picture, okay, and their names, to also let you know that you can just make out inquiry about them for yourself, okay, so that what you hear from them will motivate you, encourage you to keep going, okay, to be consistent in the market. That's just all about it. So let's quickly jump right into what we have today. Okay, so in today now, uh, this is GDP USD, and this is 4 hour. As you can see, the market is already downtrending. So all I need is to check out on my channel, the channel of the downtrend channel. That's what I'm just trying to let you know. Okay, I'm trying to map out the downtrend. Okay, sorry, excuse me. So as you can see, this is what the market is doing right now. And we are trying to get the direction and the movement of the market. So all I do is to duplicate the trend line, and this is where the market currently looking out as. So for me, what I'm looking at is that I will still take it to daily time frame so I can see more clearly what the market looks like and what the direction will likely to look like. Okay, so from the look of things, I'm seeing another channel here uptrending from this point. I like to take it from this point. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing right now. This enables me to know where the market may likely to come and bounce before rejecting back. Okay, so as you can see, this is already an uptrend, and with the look of things, if I should expand this now, so what I am seeing more clearly right here is that the market may likely to do something like this. Okay, but before then, I like to use my triangle. Sorry about this. I love to use my triangle here. Here's my triangle. To map out this zone. Okay. So this is a strong zone here. So what I'm seeing next now is that the market may likely to do something like this. Permit me to do this because this is a 4-hour daily time frame. What's going on? Well, this is what I'm just seeing on my own. Well, I don't know about you. Okay, because this very particular zone, the market may likely to come back and work this very particular trend line, then before he drop. Okay, so this is GDP USD on the daily time frame. So even if we take it down to 4-hour, I don't think there's anything much different. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the 4-hour, but I think it's more preferable when it's on the daily time frame. So I think this is clear. This is clear for me. So guys, feel free to let me know what you think about this analysis. The next pair right now we are checking is Euro JPY. So I'm done with this very particular GDP USD. The next one is Euro JPY. So let's look at what Euro JPY have in store. Without wasting much time, it's obvious that the market is uptrending and at the same time trying to reverse. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing right now. And I can duplicate the trend line as well. Okay, so the market has already broke below and work a kind of retest. So we want to see what will likely to happen. I think let me take it down to 4-hour so that I can see clearly what the market wants to do next. And with the look of things here, I think the market may likely to do what? Or come back to retest here, then drop. This is what I'm foreseeing for now. I don't think there is anything much here to analyze. Look at this. There's a zone here. I wish you can see this well. So for me, this is what I'm foreseeing. I don't know about you. That's why I always ask you, feel free. Let me know what you think. Guys, remember we are only just trying to project and predict. We do not control the market because the market will always find its way to do whatever he wants to do or whatever it wants to do. Okay? But for So for us as a day trader, this is what we are foreseeing. But whatever the market wants to do, it will always find its way to do it better. Okay. Personally, this is what I'm seeing. I don't really know about you. Okay. And at the same time, let me still see something else. What does it look like? Well, I duplicate it. Okay. So I love to leave it this way. So whatever the market may wants to do next, then it's fine. Okay, so if the market can come back and bounce this other trend line, then drop, fine, whatever. But this is what I personally am seeing. Okay, so the last pair here we have is Australia cards. So what is happening here? The first thing is that I need to take a look at this. Okay, this is 4 hour. In case I'm not seeing it clearly, I still take it back to daily and see what it looks like. Okay, so sorry about that. Even if I want to trace this particular trend here, this is the essence of taking it to higher time frame so that I can see it more clearly and better. So let me see what it looks like. Okay, so what did you see? And I'm seeing another thing here. This is a strong zone right here. Okay, so I don't know if the markets will break below or reverse back, but let me then take it to 4 hour so that I can see more clearly what the market may wants to say. Okay, so what are we seeing happening right here? I hope I'm not a little confused. Okay, all right, I'm seeing something looks like a channel in this 4 hour. This is another trend trying to happen here for the sake of future. Okay, so let's see. Good. Should I drop it here? Yeah, this is a perfect place. So now with the look of things, and the market is trying to break this low, I think the market may likely to break the low, work this trend line, maybe try to do something like this, then before takeover. Don't know, but this is what I am seeing. This is what I am seeing. So feel free to let me know what you think about this analysis on the GDP USD, Euro JPY, and the Australia card. This is what I'm foreseeing, guys. Feel free to let me know. But at the same time, the market has its way to do anything it wants to do. Okay, so if it wants to start from here, rejects, and then maybe take it back up, something like this. Well, who knows? But this is the first option. Before this should be the second option. Okay. All right. I love to delete this. Thank you guys for being part of this video lesson, this weekly analysis. Please consider subscribing consider turning on the notification and then like, so that when the new video comes up, you'll be notified. All right, guys, wishing you a profitable trading week ahead. Bye for now.